couple weeks ago, I had a young girl come in from Wichita, Kansas, who was a dancer who's been struggling with a lot of back pain. She's tried physical therapy, McKinsey method especially, chiropractic, other forms of therapy, and nothing was really helping. She eventually had to have spinal surgery to try to remove the pain that she was having. And even after, pain persisted. A colleague of mine sent her this way because he believed that a lot of her issues were emotional in nature. He sent her to me. She was having a really hard time bending forward. And this is a girl with incredible flexibility, and she was hardly able to bend forward. And the spinal surgeon said that the surgery was successful. So in my colleague's eyes, he knew something was off. He knew something was missing, and it was something that wasn't quite in his tool belt. So he sent him to us, and I spent about 20 minutes assessing and working with this young lady. Oftentimes I catch a lot of flack from my colleagues because they just don't understand the power of the mind over the body. The reason I do the work, the reason that we do the work here is because we know better. We know that the mind controls the body. And if it is not in a place where it feels safe, the body will not do what you ask it to do. Every single correction that I made was non-physical. It was here in the mind. And the results, they speak for themselves. People look at me like I'm crazy when I say that the emotional mind limits the physical body. This girl is a perfect example of that. I never touched her. I literally just corrected a conflict she was having in her mind, and immediately her body responded and became normal. The best part was her mother started crying and had to actually cover her mouth because she couldn't believe what she was seeing. She's been struggling with something for a long time, and nobody seems to be able to figure out what it is. There's a good chance that the emotional mind is a problem. There's an emotional trauma involved that needs to be addressed. We have unique assessment tools and ways to help you walk through that so that your body can become whole again, so that you can be you again. And if you're tired of dealing with pain in 2019,